Hi, I'm Russ Bowman. I'm an application engineer, and today I'd like to tell you about a new offering from EXAIR. Rebuild kits for our chip trapper systems. From time to time, we get calls about rebuild kits for some of our products, but since most of them have no moving parts, the only real maintenance that's required is to make sure that they're supplied with clean, moisture-free compressed air. That'll mean they'll run darn near indefinitely, maintenance-free. Now, one exception to this is the chip trapper systems, which have a series of elastomeric seals which over time and with exposure to fluids, even fluids that they have a high chemical resistance to, can degrade, causing vacuum leaks. Now, we've always offered the individual seals since the introduction of the product line, but now for everyone's convenience, we're offering them in kits. Part number RBK901068 is the rebuild kit for the 55-gallon chip trapper system. It comes with a new gasket for the removable drum lid, the bulkhead fitting for the reversible drum vac, the bulkhead fitting gaskets for the directional valve's lid penetrations, and the gaskets for the quick connects and the directional valve spool piece. Part number RBK901068-30 is the rebuild kit for the 30-gallon chip trapper system. It comes with the drum lid gasket, the gasket for the directional valve's bulkhead fitting, and the directional valve's quick connect gaskets. Part number RBK901068-110 is the rebuild kit for the 110-gallon chip trapper system. Like the kit for the 30-gallon system, it comes with the drum lid gasket, the gasket for the directional valve's bulkhead fitting, and the directional valve's quick connect gaskets. These kits also come with a fresh new instruction label for the drum lid. Vacuum leaks are one of the three things that can adversely affect the suction performance of your reversible drum vac or chip trapper system, along with inadequate compressed air supply or contamination in the venturi chamber of the reversible drum vac. And these are three conditions that are easy to remedy. If you have any questions about getting the most out of your chip trapper system or any of your EXAIR engineered compressed air products, give us a call. We're here to help.